Want to start your own car dealership in California? Whether you're flipping cars, building a full dealership empire, or just tired of working for someone else, you'll need one thing first: your California motor vehicle dealer license. In this video, I'm breaking down every single step, from your pre-licensing class and DMV exam all the way to getting your bond, insurance, inspection, and final approval. Stick around, because I'm also dropping some pro tips that'll save you time, money, and headaches. First things first. If you're applying for a used car dealer license in California, you'll need to take a 6-hour DMV-approved pre-licensing education course. It's super simple. You can do it online or in person. Think of it as your dealership orientation day. You'll learn about dealer laws, titling, odometer rules, and how to stay out of trouble with the DMV. Pass the course, get your certificate, and boom, step 1 complete. That certificate is your golden ticket to the next step. Now it's test time, but don't worry, it's not like the SAT. You'll take a short written exam at your local DMV Occupational Licensing Division office. They'll test your knowledge from that 6-hour course, basically making sure you understand the rules before they hand you a license to sell cars. If you can tell the difference between a bill of sale and a banana, you'll do fine. Okay, now that you're officially educated, it's time to make your business real. You'll need to decide what type of business you want: sole proprietor, LLC, corporation, or partnership. Each has pros and cons. LLCs are great for protection, corporations look professional, and sole proprietors, well, they're simple and fast. Once you've decided, register it at www.sos.ca.gov. That's the California Secretary of State's website. And if you're using a trade name, like Sunset Auto Sales instead of your personal name, don't forget to file a DBA or doing business as with your county clerk. Now, you can't sell cars from your couch. You'll need a legitimate business location that meets DMV requirements. Here's the checklist: a permanent office with a desk and phone, a display area large enough to show your inventory, zoning approval from your city or county planning department, and a permanent sign visible from the street with your dealership's name. Pro tip: before you sign that lease, call your city's zoning office. Nothing's worse than locking into a 2-year lease, only to find out car sales aren't allowed there. True story. Next up, you'll need a $50,000 surety bond. This isn't insurance for you, it's protection for your customers in case your business violates DMV laws. Think of it as your dealership's trust badge. You can get one fast through All American Bonds and Insurance. They specialize in dealer bonds nationwide. You'll get a quote in minutes, and the bond will be issued on official state forms. Make sure your business name matches exactly what you registered with the state. Even a missing comma can delay your application. Now it's fingerprint time. Every owner and officer on your application needs to do a live scan fingerprint for a background check. The DMV wants to confirm you're trustworthy, so no skipping this step. They're not checking your high school detention record. Don't worry, just making sure you haven't been running a chop shop. All right, paperwork time. Here's what you'll need for your dealer license packet. OL 100, application for original occupational license. OL 25, surety bond form. OL 29, personal history questionnaire. OL 55, dealer education certificate. You'll also include your lease, location photos, zoning letter, and your FEIN. That's your federal tax ID from the IRS. Triple check everything. If the DMV can't read it, they'll send it back. And that means weeks of delay. Once your paperwork's reviewed, the DMV will send an inspector to your location. They'll verify your office, display area, sign, and that you actually have vehicles to sell. Basically, they're making sure you're legit and not just flipping cars in your driveway. Pro tip: make sure your sign is up before they come. If they can't see your name from the street, they'll fail you on the spot. And finally, once your inspection passes and your application is approved, congratulations. You're officially a licensed California motor vehicle dealer. You can now buy cars at dealer auctions, sell to the public, and operate your dealership like a pro. It's a lot of steps, but once you're through them, you've built something real. A business with huge potential. When it's time to renew, you'll need to update your dealer bond and garage liability insurance. Keep your credit and finances in good shape. It helps lower your bond cost year after year. If you need help with your bond or insurance, All American Bonds and Insurance has you covered. Fast quotes, easy renewals, and support from experts who deal with dealers every single day. So there you have it. Every step to getting your California dealer license. If this video helped, hit that like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I reply to every single one. And remember, every big dealership started with one person who decided to get licensed. That could be you. Good luck on your journey.